Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize Jotform templates in 2026. If you want to personalize a ready-made form to match your brand or specific needs, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Jotform account. Next, from your dashboard, click Create Form and choose Use Template. Now browse the template library and select the template that best fits your project. Next, click Use Template to open it in the Jotform Form Builder. Now edit the form title, description, and instructions so they match your purpose. Next, add, remove, or rearrange form fields using the drag-and-drop editor. Now customize field labels, placeholder text, and required options to collect the information you need. Next, open the Form Designer to change the colors, fonts, background, buttons, and overall layout to match your brand. Now review the Settings section to update notifications, confirmation messages, and submission options. Finally, preview your customized form, save your changes, and publish it by sharing the link or embedding it on your website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to customize Jotform templates. Your form is now personalized and ready to collect responses professionally. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.